Hello everybody, it's Debbie, Nobody Needs to Know. Today I want to talk to you about germs and cleaning them because I get so many comments in my YouTube videos saying that I should wear gloves, that I should use disinfectants and bleach. I want to say that sometimes the overkill on killing germs can actually be really hard on your health. The use of bleach once per week for cleaning can actually increase your chance of COPD, which is a breathing issue, up to 32%. You don't need to kill them. You just need to wash them away. There's no way to really know that you've been effective in cleaning all of these germs. So preventative measures, washing hands, safe food handling, all of those things are crucial. But you can wash a great deal of germs away and down the drain. And if they're down the drain, those are as good as dead. It doesn't matter how clean you get that washroom. When you are finished cleaning it, somebody's going to use it. They may not wash their hands. They may just, leave a trail of germs. And so it doesn't really matter if you kill the germs for that 2 seconds. You're doing more harm than good to your own health if you're breathing in the fumes from harmful chemicals. A lot of people also tell me that I should use gloves. I just think that rubber gloves give you really a false sense of security. It's just as easy to touch your face with the rubber gloves and contract germs, or to touch other surfaces and spread germs, as it is with your bare hands. I just find that they're quite difficult to work in, and I would rather just wash my hands thoroughly after I'm finished cleaning a space so that I can ensure that I am not spreading any germs and that I'm not contracting any. You contract germs through your eyes, nose, mouth, ears, broken skin, and through your genitals. There are some cleaners on the market that are tried and true, have been around for a lot of years. Cleaners like Dr. Bronner's, that's what I highly recommend because it's organic, fair trade, and it's not going to do harm to you. Now, there are great ways to ensure that you disinfect things naturally too. Things like sunlight, natural sunlight. If you put your laundry out on the line, then the sun will naturally disinfect. They say that the lavender will actually help the air. It is a natural antibacterial. Methods are the same, whether they're clean or dirty, because germs are invisible for the most part. So you really, the cleaning practices are the same. Soap and water is what most doctors recommend for cleaning germs. So why are we using such horrible chemicals? I'm going to leave links in the description below, and I hope you check them out because I think they're really valuable. It's pretty rare that you'll find things that don't have a caution label, but they're out there. So take a look for them. Make a really conscious decision to keep yourself and your family safe, and to just rid of germs by good old-fashioned hard work, elbow grease. That's the way to get rid of germs. Now, Ivory dishwashing liquid is something I use in my videos all the time. know you're going to say, oh, but you did your how to clean a stovetop, with oven cleaner. Yeah, because sometimes there's not much choice, and it's limiting your exposure to those things that is most important. I'm not cleaning my stovetop every day with oven cleaner. I am not cleaning with harmful cleaners probably more than once or twice per year. And since learning about bleach, I'm going to try to make sure that I don't use bleach quite as often either, because this is, a learning process. More studies are being found out. I think it's just really important to keep up on top of these things. So that's what I'm trying to do here, is share what I am learning with you so that you can make the right choices.